Francisco. As you can probably tell, we will be a
We're now here at San Diego Airport, riding United Airlines flight 853 bound for San Francisco. So after 1 week in San Diego and Los Angeles, crossing back and forth, we will be finally going back to San Francisco.
Please turn those bags wheels in first. Top panel facing the aisle. This will allow for 4 bags in each bin instead of 2. And any bags that you jack into those overhead bins, we do ask that you place those on top of a bag. This will help free up space in the overhead bins for other bags to go in.
So
if you have any problem finding a spot for your bag, or your bag is too big, too heavy for you to lift into that overhead bin, please bring the bag forward to our boarding door here. We'll tag it to your final destination.
And this is my friend, Friendly. Yeah, with me, we're going back to
San Francisco. Good morning, welcome aboard.
And me, Macho Man, dead tired after 1 week of spin-out adventure in San Diego, Los Angeles, and Mexico. So, final view of the airplane here at United Airways. Yeah, dead tired. Again, us here, United plane. Okay, signing out.